Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well and safe. Today, I brought a problem from China Math Olympiad. It's a nice geometry problem that looks easy, but not that much easy actually. You should think about that. So I'm gonna pause few seconds here, or please pause this video. Start thinking about how to solve this problem for a few minutes. And meanwhile, please subscribe my channel down below here, as well as if you like my videos, don't forget to like the videos and share with your friends. Okay? Wonderful. Now let's take a look at this problem. We have a right angle triangle, as you can see, this yellow triangle, and one side is 3 is here. The other side is 5 plus x. So this one is x, this one is 5. We are looking for this length y. Okay, the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. By the way, this angle is also given as 45 degrees. Okay. All right, so how to solve this problem? I should say that it's not going to be a unique solution. So everybody can start from somewhere, especially in geometry problem. It's not unique solution. So someone start from angle, someone from side, Pythagorean theorem, etc. So first of all, the first thing comes in my mind is I can write it down here that this right angle triangle y square is 3 square plus 5 plus x square. Okay, so in other words, y is gonna be function of x, or if we can find x here easily, automatically we find y easily, right? So how to find x? So I'm gonna start from somewhere. For example, so my strategy is I'm gonna draw a line, something like this, something like, let's say, something like this, okay, which this perpendicular to this red line here. Okay, so maybe I didn't sketch it perfectly, but this one is perpendicular and this is 45 degrees. That means this angle is gonna be 45 degrees as well, right? So the total internal angle of the triangle is 180. So one of them is 90, the other one 45. Of course, the other one is going to be 45. So this is isosceles triangle. Look at that. Means this length and this length are same. Okay, great. So next step, what I'm going to do is by the way, so another thing I can mention here is because this one is 90 degrees, okay? So this angle, okay, and this angle, and this angle here, the summation is gonna be 90 degrees. The total is 180, so this plus this is 90 degrees, okay? In other words, this angle here and this angle here, the summation is also 90 degrees. That means this angle I mentioned here is same as this angle here. Okay, if I say it's alpha, this one is going to be alpha. Okay, perfect. So now what I can do next is I'm gonna sketch another line, okay, like this, that is perpendicular to the base here. 90 degrees. Okay, so look at this two triangle first. This triangle here, 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 okay, and this triangle here. In this two triangle, we have, this is also 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees. So these triangles are same triangles because all angles are same, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Alpha, alpha. For sure, the other angle, this angle is gonna be same as this angle here. Okay, let's call it beta, for example. For sure, this is gonna be beta. And this hypotenuse for this triangle is exactly same as this red line or hypotenuse for this triangle here. Okay, and for sure it's gonna be both angles are same. Okay, so that means if they are same, the angle, the side in front of the angle is gonna be the same. For example, the angle in front of the alpha here is same as the angle in front of this alpha, which is here to here, is x. So this length is gonna be x. Okay, how about this length from here to here? So note that 5 is the total length from here to here. Okay, how about this length from here to here? This length is gonna be in front of beta. Okay, so in front of beta here, this is beta, this is a side of this right angle triangle is 3. That means this is gonna be exactly 3. If this is 3 and this total from here to here 5, means this one is gonna be 2. Okay, all right, perfect. We found as much as information as possible from the triangle. Okay, now we're almost finished. The next and the last step is, look at this triangle here, 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 here. This is small triangle. This small triangle is similar to this big triangle here. Why? Because look at that. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This angle is common angle, right? Same for both, right? And for sure, this angle is gonna be same as this angle, like, I don't know, 45 plus alpha. Okay? Means these two, this is small and this big triangle, they are similar. Okay? So we have a similar triangle here. Okay, now we can easily find the relation. Okay, so put the length, corresponding lengths of angles. For example, in the small triangle, the length in front of this angle, which is a common angle, is x, right? This length is x. Okay, x divided by the angle in front of this angle in the big triangle is 3 equals the angle in front of this angle is same as this angle. This in front of that is this 2 here, divided by, in front of this angle we have this big length, which is 5 plus x. Okay, now from this relation we can easily find the relation. Okay, x multiplied by 5 plus x is gonna be 2 multiplied by 3. So x times 5 plus x, let's see, is 2 times 3, which is 6. So if you a little bit organize this and bring all the terms in the left hand side, we have x squared plus 5x minus 6 is gonna be 0. And you can factorize this term because multiplication is -6. Multiplication of the roots is a second order system or quadratic form. And summation is 5. That means x plus 6 times x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, what is the roots of this? This one equals to 0, x is -6. This one, x is +1. Length cannot be negative for sure. Not acceptable. This one is acceptable. Okay, so we found x is 1. Perfect. Okay, the last step, back to this Pythagorean theorem from the big triangle is y square is 3 square, which is 9, plus 5 plus 1 square. And then y will be square root of 9 plus 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 square is 36. Okay, so square root of 45. Or if you want a little bit simplify that, 45 is 9 times 5. So square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 5 is, leave it just square root of 5. Okay? Sounds good. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you.